Hello and welcome to CloudFolks Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. Right now I am inside API Gateway console and I am getting API types. Here we have 4 types: HTTP API, WebSocket API, REST API, REST API private. Now, we already discussed about HTTP API and REST API. But WebSocket API is completely different than HTTP API and REST API. Now, what is WebSocket API? Why it is completely different than our normal HTTP API and REST API? And what are the use cases of WebSocket API? We are going to discuss about all of this in this video. So let's start. First of all, I am going to start with introduction of WebSocket API. WebSocket API is used for a real-time two-way communication between client and server. These are actually keywords related to WebSocket API. First, it is a real-time, and second, it is two-way communication. Now, this line will provide you complete detail about why we can say that WebSocket is different than HTTP and REST API. Now look at this. REST API request, response and connection is closed. It is only talking one time. Request is coming, backend is responding this and the connection is closed. Same things are actually happening with the HTTP API. REST API supports more features. HTTP supports high-speed communication. So these are like a common differences between REST API and HTTP API. Otherwise, use cases are almost same. But if I'm going to talk about WebSocket API, here once connections stay open, message can go in any time in both direction. So it is not going to close connection after just one request response process. So this makes WebSocket perfect for a live communication. Now, what are the examples of live communication? Here I have some example use cases. For example, in the live chat, we need a WebSocket communication. Same way for live notification or live dashboard. Gaming, collaboration tools like Zoom Whiteboard, Google Docs, providing live updates required WebSocket communication. And for real-time tracking, like delivery boy location updates in an application like Swiggy and Zomato. So, you can attach the word live over here with WebSocket API. So whenever your requirement is two-way communication, your requirement is live communication, you can use WebSocket API. Now, we are already aware about features of REST API and HTTP API. We want to find out features supported by WebSocket API. So here I am going to provide you list of features provided by WebSocket API.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.